Okay. It is Tuesday, May 15th, 2018. I am in Petal, Mississippi at the Petal River Park. These are biking trails or walking trails. I've not biked on them yet. I tried to film a portion of this the other day on the iPhone. It came out really blurry. So I'm doing a longer one. Here's a place called Gatlin's Backbone, up a little steep hill for the real adventurer in you on two wheels. In you. I'm taking you to a very special destination. We'll just walk silently for a minute to collect our thoughts, unless something comes in. Ah yes, the train made an appearance in my other video as well. Can you hear it? It's one of the downsides. As beautiful as this place is, I mean, look at it. Whew. Lots and lots of trails. I think it's 15 acres or something out here, the website said. But yeah, it is loud. You can hear the highway and the train. But look at this, I love this magical little archway. Look at this portal. It's so cool. Surely you're in a fairy tale when you go under this, right? This is also the place where I found what looked like a skeleton of a unicorn, which I put on my Instagram and my blog and stuff. It was really cool. It's probably still there too. This is a no-no, and I'll take it. To eat. No, to throw out somewhere else. I mean, it's still going to be on Earth, but it just won't be here. But yeah, this is so cool. Look at all these like magical viney things and different trail markers. And I'm going to go this way because there's something I want to show you here. But if you go this way, see those cool trees? You get to go up these cool little hills, and it starts to get even more and more magical up there, like little gnome homes and trees and all this kind of stuff. Maybe we'll go there after this, but first, what I definitely wanted to cover is happening now. Do. There it is in the distance. Can you see it? Holy shit, that tree. Let me see how the zoom works from here. Kind of tricky. Doesn't matter, we're going towards it. But yeah, this tree is amazing to me. And I definitely wanted to document it. Because maybe I'm not going to be here that long, or maybe I am. Maybe it pleases the dragons, who are now my newest fascination, by the way. And I realized they've been showing up for a while in clouds, in my drawings, in various ways. In even the IC, the name of this channel, apparently there's two meanings of dragons. And one of the versions is to see. So, yeah, it's pretty interesting when you start researching anything, etymology and esoteric meanings. But yeah, back to this tree. It's a swamp white oak. You can see. And it's just amazing. Is that a little gnome home too? But yeah, and it's got this funny thing coming out of it, another part of the tree, but I don't know if you can tell how huge it is. It is just immense. It's just immense. And just magical. What a magical thing. I didn't even know this was here. That tape bothers me. I think it's just a marker on the trail. But, I mean, yeah. I just never even knew this tree was here until this past year. So it definitely was what I called it, a game changer, this whole place. And it definitely should be paid homage. So I wanted it on the books, on the records, that such a place exists here in Petal/Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Such a tree lives. Beautiful sunshine activations. I mean, just wow. Yep. Nice birds. I guess I'll go a little bit further so you can see. Brian and I actually got lost here once. We've heard one of his friends said that too. See, there's another part of the trail. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's kind of interesting out here. If I can find the unicorn skeleton, show you that. See, now I'm on a different part than I didn't even expect to be on right now. What happens out here? Oh, I think there's a skeleton. Great. It's really lit nicely too. See that shining structure? That's it. That's so cool. I'm just gonna cross paths here. Cool, I got the unicorn skeleton in the same video. See it? I love it. It's like in a spotlight. Thanks, God. Thanks, Gaia. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it at all, but I love the way it's lit right now. It's like in a stall in between these two other trees. The rational person in you would say, what is that, vines? But see can you see the, what is that called, a horn on a unicorn? So cool. I was not planning on including this in the video. Thank you so much for still being here. But yeah, I love this place a lot. I think I'm gonna cross back over. And there's a few, it's very hot right now, by the way. It's like in the 90s or something, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm hearing thunder or what, but there's also some mosquitoes out, so I'm probably not going to stay too much longer, or at least not video too much longer, but I'll go silent again so you can enjoy it. A silent nature walk. There's some other really incredible trees around here that I've sat and meditated with and around and on. After one of the big winter storms, a lot of these trees were knocked down, so I helped clear the path and get some standing again and move some out of the way and untangled some just as I was going. There were other people doing the big work. I was finding, I mean, not when I was out here, but I was finding it when I was coming back another time. Alright, mosquito. I don't know if you could hear it. But they don't make me feel invited. Mosquitoes, fleas, things of that nature. Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of parasitics. I know all things great and small and such, but this is a cool tree. Ah, heart medicine. All this green. Thankful for it. Glad I got to show you. Hope you enjoyed it.